Welcome to this channel. In this video, I will show you exactly how to create a new ad account in Facebook Business Manager. So as you can see, this particular Facebook, if you come here, you will see there's a personal ad account, and this is a personal ad account. This is also a business manager ad account. So you may have a problem with your ad account and you want to create a new ad account, or you may when you want to really set up an advert, especially conversion ad campaign, and you need to set up your conversion event and all that, you can't do that with a personal ad account. You need a business manager ad account. So I will show you exactly. If you already have a business manager, I will show you how to create an ad account. If you don't have a business manager, I will show you how to create the business manager and an ad account. So first of all, you go to in the ad manager, you will come here and click on business settings. Now, when you click on business settings, for those of you who already have a business manager, it will bring you to the business settings. For those of you who don't have the business manager, it will take you to the interface. It will take you to this interface. So let me show you. For those who don't have business manager, it will take you here where you'll be asked to create the business manager. You put your business name and then the email and create it. Okay. Now, after it takes you to the business manager, just like, okay, so it will bring you here. After it takes you to the business manager, what you need to do is to come here. You come to the bottom and click on add account. And then you click on add. Then you click on create. You see, I am not asked, when I click on create, they are preventing me from clicking because I have already created a new ad account not long. That's why this particular one is blurred. So for example, if you come here, you see that this one is clickable. Okay, so you click on the create. Then I'm creating a new advertising account for the business. So you put the ad account name. So example, and then you come here and select the time zone. Then you click on next. Then you choose this ad account is for my business. Then click create. You click on your name and then click assign. Then you click close. Then you open in the ad manager. And then now you can just add a payment method and then you start creating ads for your business. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to this channel, turn on the notification bell and like this video for other more powerful videos. If you follow this procedure and you have any problem, leave your comments in the comment section and we will follow up to help you get your problem resolved. See you in the next video.